Have you been injured by a faulty product? Amazon says, don't call a lawyer. Amazon has been taking some flack for safety concerns from third-party sellers following last month's Consumer Product Safety Commission complaint. The CPSC wants Amazon to take responsibility for dangerous products offered by third parties under the Fulfilled by Amazon program, since Amazon is the one who is actually shipping out that product. That's what Fulfilled by Amazon means. It's in Amazon's warehouse, comes with an Amazon sticker on it. So from a consumer standpoint, they're buying something from Amazon.
Yep.
Dangerous products that have been shipped in this program include 400,000 hair dryers without the required immersion protection devices. That could be an enormous electrocution risk. 24,000 carbon monoxide detectors that don't work.
Yeah, bit of a fail to alarm, bit of an issue on an alarm.
Numerous children's sleepwear products that are in violation of flammable fabric safety standards. Equals potentially kids on fire. Probably not.
Nice.
In case you guys were wondering, this is actually why we have never done children's clothes on LTT Store. Because I'm sure there are plenty of you that would have loved to get a kid-sized like WAN hoodie or something. I want one for, not one, I want 3. I want them for my kids. And for the upcoming WAN V2 hoodie, I have actually custom ordered. We measured my kids and we are custom ordering one-offs for each of them. But that's the reason that we've never sold them, because kids' clothing standards are a whole ball of wax. So the CPSC seeks to force Amazon as the distributor to stop selling those products, work with the CPSC on recalls, and direct notice for affected customers. Amazon's initial response was to independently do what the CPSC asked them to, but without collaborating with the CPSC. They just wanted to kind of do it quietly. They're now going a step farther, though. Any product that is purchased on Amazon is covered by a change to the A to Z guarantee as of September 1st. The changes offer $1,000 in starting compensation for injuries caused by faulty third-party items, with a theoretical cap of $1 million, limited to the purchase price of the product plus medical expenses, lost wages, and property damage caused by the defective product. Wait a second, this isn't good. This is just, these payments will come at no cost to sellers and will usually be resolved within 90 days. This sounds closer to hush money. So they're trying to just settle with everyone before you
totally is.
Go to a lawyer.
Yeah, they're asking you to not go to a lawyer and they're trying to pay you off. That it is hush money, yeah. Yep. Which, like, for some people, that's maybe what they want to do, right? And this doesn't make a difference. You can still go to a lawyer. It's not like you can't go to a lawyer. They're asking you not to, but who cares about that? That doesn't matter.
Huh. Okay. Interesting. So prior to this, Amazon was the only party customers could sue with any expectation of success, because many of these sellers are from foreign countries, often China, and simply do not respond to lawsuits with no recourse available to the plaintiffs. This is an important detail because the CPSC's case against Amazon uses lawsuits like these as evidence. So if there are fewer lawsuits because Amazon is able to quiet them down, there will be less evidence and therefore less likelihood that they will be chased in the event of a catastrophic product failure and someone wanting to sue them over it. Yeah, basically Amazon's money is buying them kind of like a liability waiver here. Fascinating.